Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE bin door FF part #WR71X10140. GE bin door FF part #WR71X10140 is a replacement part for a General Electric refrigerator. It is the door bin, or shelf, that attaches to the inside of the refrigerator door. This part is made of plastic and measures approximately 11 inches wide by 4 inches deep. It has two clips on the back that attach it to the door. This part number is specific to certain models of GE refrigerators and may not fit other brands or models. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement bin for a refrigerator door. It is used to store items such as condiments, beverages, and other food items. It fixes the symptom of a broken or missing refrigerator door bin. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the power source. 2. Remove the screws that secure the door to the refrigerator frame. 3. Lift the door off of the frame and set it aside. 4. Remove any screws that secure the old bin in place and lift it out of the refrigerator. 5. Place the new bin into position and secure it with any screws that were removed from the old bin. 6. Place the door back onto the frame and secure it with screws. 7. Plug in the refrigerator and test to make sure everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.